So earlier this week, stocks exploded higher on news that the US and China had reduced tariffs on each other's import. In fact, it sent the S&P 500 by 3% in a single day, which you don't see very often, even if you've been in this business as long as I have been in it. But the news confused some investors. The tariff reduction is only temporary, 90 days in fact. So theoretically speaking, 3 months from now in early August, we could see tariff rates go back up to where they were last week. Well, the reason stocks rallied wasn't because of the specifics of the deal. Instead, it's because the move showed the markets that the Trump administration was focused on the economy and wasn't going to drive it off a cliff with its global trade war. Nobody thought that the tariff levels announced on Liberation Day, which were absurdly high, were going to stick. But over the ensuing weeks, the administration made markets nervous that they might train wreck the economy in their global trade war. Last week, we got a deal with the UK, and this week, we got an agreement with the Chinese. And to be honest, neither one of them are very specific or concrete. But that's not the point. The point is that both deals showed markets that the Trump administration wants to lower tariffs, wants to de-escalate the trade war, and doesn't want to nosedive the economy. That gave investors the confidence they needed to buy stocks. And that is why markets rallied on the news.